So all the roadworks at the moment have closed this off. So as you can see, we're going towards the M6 junction 14. This is from the A34 link road between the A34 Stone and junction 14 of the M6. So you're coming off the second roundabout, you're coming into a 50 zone. So I'm going to check your mirrors for any vehicles about to overtake. Now we want to start to build our speed up to the speed limit. Keep looking at your mirrors, see who's behind you. When you start to see the roundabout signs, the triangles, you want to start the process of moving into the right-hand lane. So check the mirrors, indicate, double check that beam on the right, check my shoulder, bring it over to my right-hand lane. As you can see, we're going towards Creswell, which is the third exit, so we're in the right-hand lane at this point. Go check the mirrors again, indicate right, bring the speed and my gears down. Looking to the right because it gets quite busy this way. Luckily it's controlled by light, so you get a short window of opportunity to emerge. Going past the first exit, going past second exit, which is M6 South. Check the centre mirror, left mirror shoulder. If it's safe, indicate left and bring it over as you pass under the bridge. Keep the indicator on, keep checking what's around you, and then leave the roundabout at the actual exit. And that's the best way to do it. And a lot of people use the left lane on that roundabout rather than the right one, but do be mindful that if you do that, it can cause a massive accident.